Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Almost 1 month అయిపోయింది నేను ఏ వీడియోస్ అయితే పోస్ట్ చేయలేదు బికాజ్ నాకు వర్క్ ఎక్కువ ఉండే అండ్ ఎక్కువ ట్రావెల్ కూడా చేయలేదు ఈ 1 మంత్లో. సో అందుకే నో వీడియోస్. మధ్యలో ఒక వీడియో అయితే తీసాను, అది ఈ వీడియో తర్వాత నేను పోస్ట్ చేస్తాను ఆ వీడియోని. ఇప్పుడైతే నేను టోలీ చౌకీ పర్ల్ యమహాకి వెళ్తున్నా. మీరు టైటిల్లో ఆల్రెడీ చూసేసి ఉంటారు ఎందుకు వెళ్తున్నానో. లాంచ్ లేదా అన్వీల్ ఆఫ్ R15 V4 అండ్ R15M అండ్ డినో అన్న కూడా అక్కడికి వస్తున్నారు. లెట్స్ గో దేర్ అండ్ సీ అబౌట్ మన కొత్త R15 V4. R15 V3కి V4కి పెద్దగా తేడాలు ఏం లేవు, చాలా కొన్ని డిఫరెన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి. లైక్ USD ఫోక్స్, ఇంకా మన స్పీడోమీటర్ ఒకటి కొంచెం మార్చారు. లైక్ కొంచెం R1 రెప్లికా టైప్ ఉందన్నమాట. అండ్ మళ్ళీ ట్రాక్షన్ మోడ్స్ ఇచ్చాడు, ట్రాక్షన్ కంట్రోల్ సిస్టమ్ ఇచ్చాడు అండ్ క్విక్ షిఫ్టర్ కూడా ఇచ్చాడు అనమాట. నేను వెళ్ళినాక బైక్ ఇన్ డీటెయిల్గా మీకు చూపిస్తాను. సో లెట్స్ హెడ్ టు టోలీ చౌకీ పర్ల్ యమహా ఫస్ట్. 12:30కి అన్నారు, ఇప్పుడు టైం అయితే 12 అవుతుంది. సో నేను షోరూమ్కి వెళ్ళే వరకు సేమ్ అప్రాక్స్గా 12:30 అదే టైం అవుతుంది. పర్ల్ యమహా, వేర్ ఆర్ యూ? ఓకే, ముందుంది. సో మన విక్కీ వచ్చేసిండు, బ్లూ స్టిక్స్ క్యాప్టెన్. హైదరాబాద్ బ్లూ స్టిక్స్ లేనే లేదు, లేకపోతే హైదరాబాద్ బ్లూ స్టిక్స్ లేదు బ్రో, నువ్వు లేకపోతే
అంతేం లేదు. పైకి వెళ్ళావా?
వెళ్ళలేదు, మీరు వస్తారా? మీటింగ్ లేదు
ఇక్కడ. ఏంది పైన మొత్తం అరేంజ్మెంట్స్ చేపిస్తా మీకోసం. చలో చలో దా.
Hello and welcome to this really precious moment for me where I take delivery of my new bike, and my obsession and love with the R series DNA goes way back to my childhood days when I was a fan of the RX100 and the RT 350. You could have seen my emotions come alive when I rode the bikes again in a motovlog style, featured them in the best way possible, paying tribute to the legendary motorcycles. The R series DNA, the story starts from way back in 1998, where Yamaha introduced the new Genesis engine. It was a Genesis. It was the beginning of a new chapter unraveling in motorcycling history, and that was something revolutionary, and that was a dominating force. Like, little did they know that it's going to go forward and dominate the world motorcycling industry in terms of performance, set new benchmarks, and really take the technology and the experience and the performance quotient to a completely different level. In late 2008, that was when again another revolution was introduced by Yamaha, witnessing the rise of the cross-plane crankshaft, the same technology that is used in their MotoGP machines. And for the first time ever, they had introduced a cross-plane crankshaft in a production sport bike. So that was a big thing, because you could experience the same power delivery of a 90-degree V4 in this powerhouse of a machine. Getting back to the legacy of the R series, thanks for joining us live. This is a great moment, and Fabulous Fabio is everyone's favorite. Fabio Quartararo still leads the way at MotoGP, and that is a big thing. Everyone's rooting for them, all the true Yamaha fanboys. There's one inside me as well, and you all know that when I owned the R1 for the first time, and then of course I owned a lot of motorcycles, including the MT-15 recently. But this stole the show. Actually, the moment they unveiled this, I don't know, I just felt like, yes, I need to own one for myself, and that is where that instant connect happens with your machine when you know this is the right machine for you, for as a companion, that's going to be with you no matter what through the coming days. And yes, motorcycling has evolved over the years. Here you can see a lot of people who have gathered. Can you just show us around? A lot of biker brothers who have gathered. The motorcycling, brotherhood has evolved. The entire concept of motorcycling has changed. People's perception about motorcycling has changed. So that is something you need to understand. Because earlier people used to look at motorcycling, motorcycles as a form of transporting a person from point A to point B. But now people look at it as a lifestyle. They embrace it as a form of therapy. Everyone is leading stressful lives. They need a getaway dimension, and that is where motorcycling steps forward as a new realm that opens up, allowing you to become one with the forces of nature that work as a healing factor to calm your soul, to rejuvenate your senses and completely resurrect your soul. So this it's all art again with the art series. So my fascination with this it goes to another level, and that's something that has brought us together here for this big moment in Hyderabad. This is a huge moment for us to unveil the R15M. So let's not waste any more time. That is a huge thing for me, and here is the version 4 in all of its matchless glory. So but anyway, thank you so much for that. But you can see the styling has changed completely. You have the R7 inspiration clearly, a bi-directional LED right here. The seat cushioning has changed. It is far more premium now, and the R1M looks so much like the R1M. Actually, the R15M looks so much like the R1M. You have the R15M badging right here. The clip-ons are perfectly set, and the overall steering geometry and the build quality has been taken a notch higher. Even the subframe has been revised to offer much more smoother airflow and better channeling of air and better sorted aerodynamics to push it further towards its top-end performance. And you have a better quality heat shield here, and yes, you have traction control and quick shifter and whatnot. But this silver color looks absolutely stunning for me, and that is what kind of won my heart immediately. So let's not waste any more time. So let me just put this thing aside. I'll hand over the mic here, and I'm going to start the bike now. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for joining on this live session on Instagram. Special moment for me, and so glad all my biker brothers are here to celebrate this moment. I am who I am only because of the love and support I get from you guys. So for now, this is Dino saying ciao. I'll get back to you with my signature style motovlog review. I'll catch you guys in the next live session. Until then, take care, God bless, and ride safe.
So finally we are with Dino Anna, and
Hi guys, thank you so much. Thanks for coming. Means a lot. Another chapter unfolds for me, daily companion. And let's hope pick up the big brother of the R15M as well soon, with all your best wishes. Wishing you all the best, create quality content, and ride responsibly. All the best.
thanks Anna, and congrats for you as well.
Thank you so
for the
much.
new bike. Thanks Anna.
For time, set a fate our demons, and there's a sparkle in your eye that believes in feelings. You can find a paradise within your heart. You can find what I despise.
అండ్ దట్స్ ఇట్ ఫర్ టుడే. డీనో అన్న బైక్ అయితే అన్వీల్ చేశారు. హీ బాట్ R15M సిల్వర్ 1. దట్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ బైక్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్. సో హోప్ మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చిందని అనుకుంటున్నాను. నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ కూడా చేయండి. అండ్ డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ టు హిట్ దట్ బెల్ బటన్. మీకు నేను వీడియో పెట్టిన వెంటనే మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ వస్తుంది. అండ్ బాయ్ బాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్.